Hello, welcome to my short video to show you how to install Scribus on your computer. The first thing you want to do is go to the website www.scribus.net. The next thing is we want to go here to get Scribus. So we click on that, and then you see down here on the lower left, take me to the downloads. So I click on that, and you'll see that the current stable release is Scribus 1.4.8. Now, note, we want to install the most current stable release. We do not want to install a developmental version. So if you look down on this list, you will see a bunch of options. If you're running Windows, you're probably running Windows 32-bit. So you can click on that option for Windows 32-bit. But if you're running the 64-bit version, that's just below the 32-bit version. And if you're running on a Macintosh, you can install Scribus using the link that is labeled Mac OS X. All right, I'm running Windows 32-bit, so I click on that, and then on download the latest version. So the download starts after it does some checking and starts downloading the file. My download is finished, and I'm using Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome, I will get a download here in this area. So at the top of my screen. So I've got my security settings up to set up to warn me of possible virus problems with executable files. So I want to click on the download and then click on yes. Depending on your security, you may or may not have that. All right, so now we have the download executable file that's ready to be loaded. So I double click on the executable file, and then the computer will set up the executable, unpack the data, and you may get a message that Scribus is already installed. Do you want to remove a previous version? So click on yes, and you will get the latest version installed on your computer. You'll get another message that says that asking you for permission to delete all the files from the previous version. So click on yes for that as well. And then you can click on uninstall. This will delete the older version of Scribus and install the new version. Click on OK once the uninstall is finished. Next, we want to select English as our language, or if you prefer a different language, you can choose one. I don't know what's supported, but I know English is. So we click on OK, and then we get into the setup wizard. So again, we click on Next. We accept the terms and click on Next. And we have extra files here that are being downloaded. There's no harm in bringing these extra fonts in or installing a desktop shortcut. So we'll just click on Next, and then we can let the installation folder default. So click on Next again, and you will see all these types of tools that are going to be installed. So click on Install, and the program will start to install. Once the install is done, I click on Finish and Scribus will open.